Hello and welcome back to Rise and Thrive, the podcast where we delve into the mindset required to live your best life. I'm Sarah, and today we're going to talk about something that stops more dreams than anything else: the fear of failure. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever wanted to try something, maybe launch a project, apply for a new job, or even confess your dream out loud, but you didn't because you were afraid to fail? Yeah, me too. But here's the truth. Failure is not the enemy. Fear is. The nature of fear. Fear of failure is natural. It's your brain trying to protect you. It's whispering, "What if it doesn't work? What if they laugh? What if I lose everything?" But here's what fear doesn't tell you. What if it does work? What if it changes your life? Successful people aren't fearless. They just don't let fear decide their future. They've learned to act despite it. Reframing failure. Let's reframe failure for a second. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of success. It's feedback. It's information. It's redirection. Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Imagine if he stopped at try number 999. What if your next failure is just one step before your breakthrough? Why we fear failure. The fear of failure often masks something deeper: the fear of judgment, the fear of looking foolish, the fear of not being enough. But here's a reality check. People are not thinking about you as much as you think. They're too busy worrying about their own failures. So live, try, fall, and get back up. How to overcome the fear. Here are 3 powerful ways to overcome the fear of failure. 1. Normalize it. Talk about your failures. Celebrate them even. They mean you're trying. 2. Visualize the worst case and plan. What's the absolute worst that could happen? Can you handle it? Yes. And if not, you can prepare. 3. Take imperfect action. Start before you're ready. Done is better than perfect. Perfection is fear in disguise. Let me leave you with this. Every person you admire has failed many times. What separates them is that they didn't let failure define them. So today, I challenge you. Do one thing that scares you, one thing you've been putting off, one small step toward that big dream. Failure isn't falling down. Failure is staying down. So rise, fail forward, and let fear fuel your next bold move. Thank you for listening to Rise and Thrive. If this episode inspired you, share it with someone who needs it. Follow the podcast, and remember, your future self is waiting. Don't let fear keep you from meeting them. Until next time, keep rising.